Want to save time and money while still giving your clients a beautiful yard? Look no further. We have what you need. Landscapers. Artificial grass is the perfect solution for your clients who want a low-maintenance yard. It's durable and requires no watering or mowing. Home builders. Artificial grass is a great way to add curb appeal to your developments without the added cost and maintenance of a natural lawn. Architects. Artificial grass is a versatile material that can be used in a variety of design projects, from putting greens to beautiful playground areas. DIY enthusiasts. Artificial grass is easy to install and maintain, making it a great option for your next home improvement project. Choose artificial grass for a beautiful, low-maintenance yard. With our full deposit of artificial rolls available and our ability to cut them to meet any quantity, we have you covered. Artificial grass. The smart choice for a beautiful yard. Contact us today to learn more.